Guys will be good here.
Okay, I take Rengar.
Okay.
Oh no!
Shut up, your Rengar is sick. Go.
Victor is dead, Victor is dead.
Gunnar?
Yeah.
Gunnar, can we?
Yeah, we can. 3 versus 4, 3 versus 4, 3
Lucian?
versus 4, 3 versus 4.
Gunnar? Shen.
Nice!
Shen.
Yeah!
Nice!
Theatrics is just not our element.
Oh my god.
Are you trying to get in now?
Oh my god. Yes.
Permission to take off my headset till we start.
Let's fight. Rallis. I'm looking right. Rallis. Nice. Steve. Right. Finish Baron. Nice.
You almost never use smite on crab.
What?
That's why I never played jungle though.
Why would you smite the crab?
For HP.
It looks good.
I got ignite.
I can't go up to the back now.
Kite back.
We need to back out.
2
We need to
seconds.
like kite back, guys.
I can taunt.
Okay,
now.
taunt.
Go.
Go for this! Go for Nash!
I got it.
You know when a joke becomes funny? It's when you use it for everything.
That's the Reddit approach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, they got food here? Thank me.
We need to go on the right,
Can't
guys.
get on ice. Nautilus.
Get on ice. I can flash
I'm chasing.
I can flash on them.
Trying to come.
I'm gonna get the
Cool.
Got it, go.
Careful with him. He turns. Okay, nice.
Can we go back? We can win this. Get back there. See me. Nice. Don't hurt Ezreal.
Yeah, don't have. Can you tell me more? Or as Huni would say, I love it.
I love it.
Good job.
Get the others. Get them.
No flash Lulu. Yeah. Bar. Holy. Yes. So good, guys. Nice.
Kalista. I'm tanking.
Rise. Go.
Nice.
Do today, Junko?
They're my dogs.
We win.
We take responsibility.
We kill them.
We take responsibility.
And then we kill them.
I stunned you. Good.
I'm low. I'm out of the fight.
Okay.
We're winning.
Good.
Victor.
Look Maka. Go for Victor after, okay?
I'm on Jace.
Kill Rumble. Severe solo. Nice. Go. Top.
Someone.
Top. We can end the game.
Go top.
Keep going. Can we get Rise. You win if you do it well.
Nice. Keep going.
Nice. I got shield for you.